Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now. Install a trusted auto clicker and grant the necessary accessibility or overlay permissions so taps register. Next, open Grow a Garden and identify the exact tap coordinates for planting and harvesting. Use the app's recorder or manual coordinate mode for precision. Once done, create a profile and set an initial interval of 500 ms with a total runtime of 5 minutes. Then save that profile as gardens. Now configure the core loop. Map a multi-point sequence for planting, then watering, then harvesting, and make sure the order matches in-game timing. You should set variable intervals between 300 and 1200 ms to mimic human input, and enable a small randomized factor of about 10% to reduce detection risk. Also choose either a repeat count or loop until stopped, monitor CPU and battery while running, and tweak intervals to balance speed with reliability. To finish, always stop the auto clicker with a hotkey or the overlay button, or schedule an end time so inputs don't keep repeating after you leave. If you see misclicks or missed actions, recalibrate the coordinates, increase the delay slightly, and clear the clicker app cache before testing again. Finally, if things still fail, disable other overlays, ensure the game is updated, and run several short tests to confirm the final settings are stable and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.